guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and support, and thank you for my subscribers. I love you. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I do my new hair. Guys, I love this hair. I love the color, how it is being color, like it has the dark color here and the brown color. Oh god, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So stay tuned as I get into it. So guys, don't go anywhere or the dog is killing me. Shoo Snoopy, shoo holiday, shoo. Say hi to my friends. Say hi. You wanna play? I don't wanna play now. I don't want to play. Mama want to do her hair. Yeah. Bye, Habibi.
The back and forth, the tug of war. When we push away, we fall back in. No more half of me, I need all of you. I won't settle for love that rips at the seams. Let's go back to when we both had what we wanted, what we wanted. I thought I could leave you, but I know I can't. Yeah, I thought I could leave you, but I know I can't. Lost out at sea, so hard to breathe when you're not around. Closer to me, no more half of me, yeah, I need all of you. I won't settle for love that rips at the seams. Let's go back to when we both had what we wanted, what we wanted. I thought I could leave you, but I know I can't. Yeah, I thought I could leave you, but I know I can't.
gritty, home of Biggie and Diddy. Come on, holla at me if you're feeling proud. This where the people move a mile a minute with stylish gimmicks. Come on, if you with it, man, say it loud.
New York.
The feeling is right, I'm stealing the night, guided by Lady Liberty's light. So if you're trying to win the rat race, keep it moving fast paced, always keep your dreaming in sight. Now, this where the nation unites, this where the pop melts. You from the bottom, now you drinking from the top shelf. Times change, but you always remember, used to take the J train, never use it as a cop out. So put your hands up high, put them in the air. You sitting courtside at Madison Square. Got a view of the Brooklyn Bridge, the best city, man, you know what it is.